For string, we are using many classes. Character class, character array, character class, string array, string class, string buffer class. So many things we use for dealing with the strings. So what I told, suppose I will give the list, right? What I told, first I told character array, char array, right? This is the symbol, char array. Simply one character, that is character. I am not taking regarding it as just to deal with the string. Character array, that's why I have taken, right? Number 2, character class. This is also dealing with only one character. But still I am writing. Okay, let me write char primitive type, char array, character class. Number 3 is string class. Some are doing their work, talking. Then string buffer, another class. Okay. So char variable you are doing, very simple. Char x you are putting. For this what you are doing? For this you are writing char array is equal to new char 10 or 20. How many characters you want? Right? So to this list, if I am writing, this was my list. But if I am writing here, how you are doing this character? I mean my list, third one is character. So character RV, okay, reference variable RV1 equal to what you are doing? New character bracketed value you are giving. Suppose P in a single quote. What we are doing here, RB2 for string is equal to new. You are doing here two ways. String is a string class object are done in two ways. Normally we write it like this: string class 10. String RB2 equal to class 10 in double quotes. Second one is the RB3 is equal to new string in bracket double quoted class X. And the last one, string buffer, has two different ways of creating objects, three different ways. Okay, so I am putting it RB string buffer. I have to write string buffer RB4 is equal to new string buffer function, only function, nothing I am giving. But string, I have told two ways. Okay, string two ways. More ways are there also. Right? Like, I can put an array also as a parameter to the constructor of the string. Suppose you have the character array CA having 20 letters, right? And you have filled it up also. You have also filled it up. CA0 is equal to M, CA1 is equal to O, CA2 is equal to N, 140 you have filled up. That CA also you can put into the string object, right? So here I am writing RB5 equal to new string bracketed CA also you can. Even character array also you can give to the constructor. So it is not that two ways are there to create string, more ways are there. You can find out in the internet, because you cannot get your book, all the books you cannot, some nice books you may not get. So net you can try. How many constructors of the, okay. This you may not do in this time in the class 10. After class 10 you continue this also. This whether you read science or do anything, okay, or diploma or whatever, you continue this. This is so. It is actually you are just learning this in this course, the base. Actually the base is with you now, okay. After this base, if you, how much you are improving, that depends on your interest and your labor, right? But whatever you do, but you try something at least. No, though not means in every day. Okay, 2 days or 3 days, you give at least 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour time, and try to practice all these things. Okay. So string buffer I have done only one. Another is RB6 equal to new string buffer bracketed in your book it is given 15 number of letters will be 15, sorry, not 15 now, 15 number of cells are ready for you. Right? But previously you have not written anything. String buffer RB4 equal to new string buffer function. Nothing you have given. Now you are giving 15. So when you are giving nothing, then also it is taking some capacity. It is taking 16 as the capacity. Okay. You know that string buffer can be changed. We can modify string buffer, we can make it bigger and bigger. Yes or no? And so when we try to append some text, okay, to the string buffer object, its capacity grows automatically. Right? So you can see through the capacity function. Okay, now last one I am telling here, RB7 is equal to new string buffer bracketed, what is given in your book? Fast, F-I-R-S-T. So you are assigning a 5 letters. But its capacity is more than that. This is the length. Length is 5, but capacity is more than that. By default, it is 16. Right? How will you get? You have to use the function. Suppose last object is RB7 dot capacity function we get. You may get 16. It will return a value. While the wrapper class I have told that the function takes something, returns something. Here the function takes nothing, returning x, a number. And if you print it, you will get the value. Maybe 16 will come. But RB7 dot length function will provide you how much? 5. Will provide you 5. So these are the some functions of a string object, string class. See, hey, you use also caret here, caret function. When you will use the caret function, you have to use string object. String object I have given here RB2, RB3 and a RB5. So RB2 dot caret 0. What I will get? RB2 dot caret is taking how many? 1. So suppose I put 0. What it will give me? C. See what type of value it will give me? What type of value it will give me? Character P. Suppose I am writing. And I will print P. I will get a C. Because I have written CLX, class X, CLX. So C will come because that is in the 0 position. Clear? Next one will go. Capacity function is your capacity function belongs to the string buffer object. Okay, I have used. So this is not a string function. Next is compare to. Compare to taking how many string? How many parameters? No, one parameter. It is wrong. In the book that you just correct it. Compare to takes how many parameters? One parameter. Compare to, it is given, compare to string 1. You code it, string you make. String another string. That comma you code also. Like this. It requires a string object. So there is a right string. How many strings? Say these two we are having RB2, RB3. If I will compare, so RB2 dot compare to bracketed RB3. I am providing a string object or not? To RB8 to compare to function I am providing the string object or not? What is that? RB3. Yes or no? What it will provide to me? Integer. Okay. What value it will give me? C. CLX. CLX is the first one here, C. And what is the last one here? Sorry, here first one is what? X. Who is bigger? X is bigger or CLX? C is bigger? X is bigger. So you will get a minus value. C minus X. C minus X, what value will get? C is the 60. C 65, 66, 67. C is the 67. X is how much? 88. XYZ. This one no? WXYZ no? So 88. Yes or no? 67, 88. What is the difference? Huh? Yes, 21 will count. Q. This time it will come minus 21. First, then second two letters will be checked. First two letters. She asked a very good question. We saw here first letter is the C, their first letter is the X. So we got how much? Minus 21. And if first letters are same, then this operation will be done for second two letters. This is called lexicographical testing. Not there. Not there second. If second is not there. If second is not there, suppose first one C, first one C. Second is not there, then it will take the advantage. This minus this will be what? L. L minus 0. Okay. And next one which function? Next one which function? And next one what is there? You cannot say. How long we have finished? Up to this. Compare to concat. And next function is concat. Concat function also takes another string. Like the compare to function, it takes another string. That means we can now concat RB2 concat RB3. Then it will be CLX X. It will be what? CLX X. Yes or no? CL double X it will be. And that will be stored in a string array. Next one. Next, what is the next function? There is a concat, simple concat. That is using plus. You know it. RB2 plus RB3. You can put in the RB10. Next one. Next one, which function? End switch. Where is it there? End switch. X, CLX, RB2. Suppose I will write here RB2 dot ends with RB3. It is also taking on a string object. What it is giving? Boolean, true or false. Boolean R. What will be the value of this R? False. What will be the value of this R? CLS is not having end at last. Why you are not sitting there? True or false? True. So what you are seeing next? Equals. All are taking here now. All are taking. This one is also taking string object. RB2 dot equals RB3. What will be coming? False. Right. Next one is what? Equals ignore case. If you are ignoring case also, both are not equal. So it will come false. Next, index of. Index of is taking a one character. Okay. Carat was taking a number. Carat was taking a number 0 and supplying of me what is in the 0 value. It was supplying me C. Yes or no? But index of will take the different thing. Index of will take what? Character. But supply me number. Carat is taking number. Supplying me character. Next one. Next one what? Yes. Last index of. Last index of. Last index of. Index of. Last index of and the index of similar. Both are taking what? Character or number? Character. Giving us number. Next, length function we have discussed, we have used. Next, length function we have used with the string buffer object. But the length function also available with the string class. Okay. How many letters are there? It will provide you that many letters. Next one. What? Replace. Suppose I will replace RB2. RB2 I will supply X will be replaced by V. X CLX is written. I will supply V. X will be replaced with V. So what I will write? RB2 dot replace. How many parameters I will give? 2 parameters. First one is X and second one is V. Then it will be converted to CL5. So what is the output? What is the answer? But what is the answer? That type is what? Written properly, prototype. Prototype written string. String S. Correct. Now starts with, like ends with, starts with also is used. Next, soft string. Soft string already we have used. It will take out the part of a string. It will take out part of your string. Yes or no? So we have to give two parameters. The starting location and a ending location. But ending location is not included. That is excluded. That is, you can call that is exclusive. Starting location is included. Okay. Right. So suppose from this CLX I will take out CL. What I will write? RB2 self dot soft string. Soft string is in nowhere capital. Soft string fully small. 0, 2. Two parameters. I don't want to get that 2. In this 2 position, what is there? X is there. So X is, that 2 is the exclusive. 0 is the inclusive. What is the output? It is string. Substring. But a replace function, listen, in the replace function, if there are many X are there, all will be also replaced with the V. Substring, two lowercase, taking nothing, but giving a string. Two string function, it is string to string convert. Two uppercase function, just like the lowercase function, two lowercase function, uppercase function. Trim function, if any space is there in the left side, right side, that will go away, and you will get a new string without any text before or after, right? That is trim function. Value of, yes, the value of any type you can put. Value of function, you find out. Yesterday we were telling that value of function, no? So whether we can change character to string, number to string using the value of function. It is telling any type, it receives any type. We can give also double variable. Suppose a double variable is D, we can put it. Suppose that is written 2.56. That 2.56 will be converted to string. So result is a string here. So we have talked about this. There is a program you see in 44 page. This is the assignment for you. Understand the program and come next class. Then string buffer class is given to you in the 248 page. String buffer class has the capacity function and a length function. Along with this, many functions are there: append function, insert function, setChar function, delete function, setLength function, and a reverse function. Set capacity is there? No. Take Ramu. You have already used the insert function before. Hello Java world you are doing. Okay. So similarly, append function also can be done. Append function, you are not providing the which place you want to insert. You are simply providing what to insert. So append you will be doing at last. This is the difference between the append function and the insert function of the string buffer class. Append does not take 2 parameters. Insert take 2 parameters. Right? setChar takes 2 parameters. One is a which position you want to put, and you have to give it character only. Delete beginning to end, that is also same. Means the end part is the exclusive. Like substring, the second parameter is the exclusive. Here also begin is the inclusive and end is the exclusive. Please try it and tell me. You just mark, underline in the delete and try it. setLength, you can, suppose some length you are having, suppose 50 characters are already there. You can, 50 letters are there, you can make it a 5. When you do setLength, then you can't, that means you are losing. Suppose 50 characters are there, you are making it 5, setLength 5, then 45 characters are gone. Okay. Reverse function is a very useful function to reverse your string. Okay. That is available in the string buffer only. So if you want to reverse any string, you have to convert it first to string buffer. So in that case, you have to use the this constructor for creating the string buffer object. String to string buffer, then you convert to reverse the string buffer object, then you come back to string by toString function, because string buffer class also has a toString function. Okay, so that way you will use to convert the string buffer object to toString. Okay, here it is not mentioned, but it has a toString function, string buffer class. And string buffer has another, Ramu, come here. And string buffer has another quality. It is mutable. We have already read it is mutable. It can be changed within that. We are not bound to store it in another object. And another thing, it is also, you can do some chaining operation. Here is a chaining operation. SB dot append x equal to dot append x dot append y equal to dot append y. X and y value it is giving how much? 5 and 2. Then you see the result. Result is how? Result is how? It is becoming a bigger string, all in one line. Many append statements are done in one line. Understood? That is called chaining. This is only possible here in the string buffer object. Here it is giving the difference between string buffer and the string. Who is better? Who has the more efficiency? So naturally string buffer is efficient because in one object you are doing the changes. A duplicate function, duplicating the string number of times, taking the value and duplicating it. If you are using with a string, then so many objects will be created. Whenever doing is done, result is equal to result plus s.